guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending the time and the place you are watching this video. Depends with your time zone. So thank you guys for coming back to my channel, watching my video, liking, sharing and subscribing. I'm so grateful, guys. Welcome to today's video. Remember the last video I posted, I said we will open a YouTube channel from scratch using a phone. Yeah, you're gonna open it from scratch using a phone. So my people, welcome again, and thank you so much for coming back. So guys, let us do this. So guys, we're gonna open a Google account first. I have to open Google account first. As you can see on the screen there is my Google account, but I'm gonna open another one to show you. Gonna open another one to show you how to go about this. Open another account, you wait for it to process. It asks you to verify either your fingerprint or the password that you had put in. So you wait for it to scan because it's a procedure or it's a process. So you tap there, you use any name of your wish, but this here is for the email that is already opened. For us, we're going to tap here, create account for personal use. Then it will ask you first name. I'm gonna use, let me use Shiko. Yes, let me use Shiko. Surname is optional. As you can see there, surname is optional, but you can put it. Gender, let's say date 8, month, let's say May, year, let's say 2007. You have to put gender, obviously. Shiko is a female, and then you tap next. After tapping next, it asks you to create your own Google account, your own name on Google. To ask you to create your own, you can just create according to the name that you had put there. You had Shiko, you can put Shiko, mix letters with alphabet like that. You can tap next and it will tell you maybe the name is already taken, or it will give you an option if you want the Google to create it for you. So you tap next, you wait. Yeah, it has accepted. So you add password. You have to put a very strong password. I'm gonna guess because this is an example, and then I will delete it later. There we go. For screenshotting, I've screenshot in case I want to remember it. Then you tap next. It has created, yeah, and there is your password down there, and then you tap save, and then you go next. Here is the privacy and terms, yeah, terms and condition. Next, make sure you read them. Make sure you read the terms and the conditions, please. And then you give the Google services time to create it. Yeah, you give them time to go through, and then they're gonna create it for you. So let us see here. if it has created. Yes, let's see if it has created. Yes, already done. Here's the account. Here is the account. There we go. You can tap here, tap on that to put profile, that profile that you want to be using. You tap there, you give it time, remember it's still new, and then it will ask you add profile picture. Yeah, add profile picture. You tap there. You can choose this, or you can choose from your device, from your gallery, or you can choose here. So as for me, I'm gonna choose this beautiful cat there. Let it be there for a moment, but you can put your own profile. Yeah, I think I'm gonna use that. Can put your own profile, but for me, I'm gonna use that. Yeah, save. So that's how you create your Google account. That's how you could create your Google account. Profile picture uploaded, and you're done. If you want to change it, you tap here, you see this change, or you tap here this remove, and it will be blank. So our profile, and it is visible to anyone will see this when she or he came across your Google account. So you go back, and then you tap here, you tap there, and there is your Google account. Manage your Google account. There is it. Yeah, so after that, guys, you go back. So let us continue. Let us open now the YouTube channel. I've shown you how to open Google account. Now let's go using the phone. Let's go and open our YouTube channel. So you go to YouTube, and then you tap here, switch channels. Of course, you'll see Shiko. Here it is. Here you have Shiko. You tap on it as I'm doing. You tap on it there, the icon at the corner there, and then you'll see Shiko create a channel. You tap on it, and there, create a channel. There we go, it's creating a channel. After that, tap on Shiko again, view the channel, tap on that pencil aside. Now here you'll put your profile. The big line is where you can put your banner. One day I'll show you how I create banner with the Canva. I create my banners with Canva, and there we go. Where there's a cat, you can change now. Yeah, remember the cat profile is for Google. Here for your channel, you can choose another picture, very smart, legit, elegant picture or profile for yourself. You can choose and put. So Shiko, the handle is where you want your channel to be called. What's the name? What the name do you want your channel to be called? You put there, and then save. Alafu, then we have channel URL. I think that one YouTube has already created for you, as you can see there. And then we have description. Now, description is where you tell people your full name. It's where you tell what you want to do. If you'll be uploading every day, of course. If you'll be uploading 3 days per week or 4 days per month. Is where in description you'll explain that and how you want your people to be getting on you, whereby telling them to subscribe, to look for you either every Wednesday or every Thursday or every Monday. You have to put it in description. And then we have what we call privacy. Privacy is about if you want the channel to be private. The subscription, not the channel. The subscription to be private is when you put that on. So after doing that, you are good to go. After doing all of that, you are good to go. You're good to go, guys. I just create it for you to see. As I said, the space for banner, we'll leave it like that. One day I'll show you how to create a banner profile like that. And then we leave the Shiko word like that. So where Shiko is where you put your channel name. Yeah, Shiko is where you put your channel name. Let us call it Shiko. And then description, maybe your niche will be cleaning and cooking. Cleaning and cooking like that, and then save. You can put that, but you can add more about yourself, about how you'll want your people to get to you, about how you'll get to your people, like that. Yeah. And then you go back like here, and then you click what we call the down button here in black. When you tap it, is where you want to create a short or upload a video or go live or create a post. Yeah, my people. So about creating a channel, we are done. We are done, guys. We are done about creating the channel. That's how you can create a channel. So that's how you go about it, guys. Simple and easy and very clear. That's how you open your YouTube channel, Google account using your phone. Simple and easy, as I have shown you there. Just to do that, don't wait until you be millionaire to buy big cameras, to buy laptops, to buy whatever. Just use your phone. You can make money through this small gadget here. You can make money through it. That's how I opened my channel, and that's how I'm still doing, just using my phone. Yeah, just using my phone. You can do so and do better. So, thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for staying tuned. I'm gonna see you in the next video. I'll be here bringing you up, going up with you. I want to go up with you, guys. I want to go up with you. The reason why, as I said earlier in my first video, I changed this into educative channel. There's so many people out there, they don't know how to go about YouTube. They don't know where to start. They don't know how to handle it, simply because they just have a phone. They are waiting to have laptop or camera. What they don't know is you can use your phone. You can use your phone to make your life better. Just the way I've started there with you, shown you there. Start like that. I'll be taking you step by step. We're gonna have those baby steps together. Yeah, thank you so much. Please, in the comment section, please let me know What do you want me to do? Or what do you want me to show you or to tell you or to teach you? Thank you so much for joining, liking, and sharing. See you in the next video. Here is Amali Boost. Yeah, bye bye. Keep in mind I love you. Thank you.